Why is the word Sri Vidya so less known?
To answer this probing, we have to understand another word called Tantra. Because when we say Sri Vidya, it is Sri Vidya Tantra or Sri Vidya Yoga Tantra. That's how it has to be used properly. Or Sri Vidya Tantra. So without Tantra, Sri Vidya doesn't have its independent existence. So when we say Tantra, we have to look into the little bit of historical background of Tantra to
Of
answer
late,
your question.
Tantra has been used very
Yeah.
in wrong contexts.
Yes, definitely.
So,
So Sri Vidya is attached to that Tantra. So sometimes, like Tantra has become a derogative understanding. So also Sri Vidya gets into that banner of being derogative.
because of the abuse of that word by so
Yes.
many.
When it was originated as Tantra, this problem was not there. But as the time moved on, and when Shankaracharya came onto the scene, many people are surprised to know that Shankaracharya was a great tantric adept because he has been revered as a great acharya of Sanatana Dharma and Vedic path of our understanding. All the Vedas, Upanishads, and all that, they are associated with our thought process with Shankaracharya. As I told you, when he was looking around what is happening in the spiritual realm, he was astonished and saddened by the fact that Tantra was being abused by the common people. Tantra is a very powerful tool to make human life easy, comfortable, bright, and extraordinary. But it's very sad to know that Tantra is being used in a wrong way because in tantric practices, without any exception, there are two sides to it. One is called Dakshinachara, that is called right hand practice, all that is good. All that is good about Tantra. Well, when I use the word good and bad, Tantra doesn't believe in it. But for the convenience of communicating something related to this subject, I am using Dakshinachara as related to all the good practices, the right hand practice, and Vamachara as the left hand practice. So, Vamachara is always associated with black magic. So, what is black magic? Through this power of black magic, if one intends to harm another person or destroy the harmony of this society or harmony of nature, it can be done easily. So, people, for their selfish motives, to harm other people for their own good, they started using this more and more. So, there came a time when people started thinking that Tantra means only this. Black magic is only maximum 5% of the entire tantric world. Just 5%. And imagine that 5% is ruling the minds of the people. And this 95% of the Tantra, Sri Vidya, whatever, good is not recognized or valued by the human minds.
I think it has been very badly marketed.
Ha!
Only certain part of it has been. There is a lot of education out there, or rather, wrong information out there.
Yeah.
But the real meaning of tantra, the good side of it, or the beneficial of side of it has not really come out much.
Yeah, even many podcasts that we happen to see on Tantra also have lot of blemishes and it is one-sided and there are so many limitations to the way it has been explained to the listeners, I feel. So the true essence, I would say, the true essence of Tantra, the true essence of Sri Vidya Tantra is yet to be known by this world.